YouTube, what it is, man. It's your boy Sayysooflyy. I am the wave. I am the bridge, man. Welcome back to another video. In this video right here, we're gonna go over the trade that I took for the day. I only took one trade today, and I'm currently up 500 points, or it's really around 470 points, 470 to about 500 points. I'm gonna show y'all why I took this trade. This is on US 30. US 30 is the only thing that I ever trade. If you watch my other videos, you'll see that I talk about it all the time because that's all I trade. At the end of the day, I know a lot of y'all are struggling. Some of y'all need some kind of guidance. Some of y'all make bread. Some of y'all students to the game. You feel me? Everybody's on a different level when it comes to this channel. But for the people who, you know, are watching this video for like tips or like gems or anything like that, you don't need to be trading 10 different things at once. I'm telling you this from real life experience. Like, you do not need to be trying to trade. I ain't gonna tell you what you don't need to do. I'm gonna tell you what I used to do. I pretty much tell this story, then we can look at the chart and I'll explain why I took the trade. But I've been trading for about 7 years. If you watch my other content, I say the same little spiel every time because this is true. Trading for like 7 years, and I was losing for like the first few years, you feel me? And it's a lot of reasons why. It's multiple reasons why, but the only reason I'm gonna talk about right now is one main reason is because I was trading too many different things at once. We've all seen the little memes of like a Forex trader, and he got 10 screens in front of him. He got 50 charts in front of him. He got a chart and it got a bunch of indicators, a bunch of squiggly lines on it. Like that right there, that was me, you feel me? And it's crazy because I didn't start off like that. It's kind of just like when you really dive into it and you really want to learn, and you learn this strategy, this feature, like that's kind of just what it ends up becoming. So I'm telling y'all, do not make that same mistake. If you trade Forex, Euro USD and GBP USD, they move similarly. You feel me? USD CAD and USD CHF, they move similarly. AUD USD, NZD USD, they move similarly. If you don't believe it, bro, put them two charts next to each other and just watch them for the next few days. You can be like, damn, they're making the same move. So if all of these pairs kind of move similar, why are you trying to trade all of them? You feel me? You'll be better off just trying to trade one, or not trying to trade one. You'll be better off just trading one. You'll be better off just learning the tendencies of it, like learning like the distance of pips or points that it usually does for a stop hunt. You feel me? Just like the characteristics of it. If you do that, I promise you, it's gonna help you out a lot. It's gonna help you out, and then you can you can focus on one thing instead of trying to do 20 things at once. I'm telling you, man. But yeah, that was pretty much my TED talk for the day. That was my lesson for the day. But we about to go into the chart. Before we actually do that, if you're not subscribed already, click subscribe, catch the wave, join the family. If you want to get trading signals, if you want to copy every single trade that I take, right now we lost one trade. That was the very first trade of the month. So after that, we haven't lost any trades. So we literally are on like a 17-day win streak. This is no cap. You could go to my Instagram, you go to my business Instagram, you can see it. I've been posting it the entire time. Actually, I might just show you right here. So right now we are looking at my Discord right here, and we're looking at pretty much the trade that I took. All right, so first let's look at the signals group. This trade was called out inside of the signals group. We'll just scroll up just a little bit. I don't want this video to be too long. So at the end of every day, we get a report. So it could be a daily report, a weekly report, or a monthly report. And I can request it at any time as well. So we had a monthly report. This was yesterday. 16 wins, 1 loss for a 94% win rate. All right, this is 94% win rate. I did not type this. My bot did that. All right, so let's just scroll down. All of the trades are called out at 6 p.m. Eastern every single day. Okay, so this is the trades that was called out yesterday at 6 p.m. We had a buy stop. The buy stop, that was the one that actually entered. Well, we actually had 2 of them. So we had a buy stop at 40416. 40416. Bet. So we had a buy stop right here. Our max stop loss 40116. 40. I think our stop loss is down here. And our take profit 40716. 40716. So as you can see, this trade did hit take profit for anybody who actually took this trade inside of the Discord. This is what a trade will typically look like every day. New trade alert, US 30 buy stop. It's telling you exactly what to do. All you had to do is copy it. We also had a sell stop. You can't, I think I deleted the sell stop already. And then we had a buy as well. So the buy order was 40333. That was the entry. 40. Okay, so pretty much this buy. This is the buy that that we're looking at right now. So 40333. Stop loss 39835. This stop loss was huge, so I didn't even put it on here. 39835. So yeah, that was a stop loss for this, and then the take profit 40635. 40635. All right, so that's pretty much the trade right here. Let me just finish with this. Our first target was hit on both of our buys actually. So let's just do the first one. This was the very first buy. So the trade is in profit, close the percentage. And I mean, pretty much you can see that the trades got hit. You feel me? When the trade gets activated, you'll get an alert, buy activated, target hit, move your stop loss to break even, and then it ended up closing out at break even for the people who actually followed along and did, you know, what the joint told them to do. So right now, let me just show you why we took these trades, or why the bot actually caught these trades. So I tell you guys all the time that the market makes the same patterns every single day. It does the same, it moves the same way every single day, and the people who are able to see these patterns before they happen or while they happen, those are the ones who are able to make money. And I also tell y'all that when you are trading, the time frame that you're looking on is very, very important. So the higher the time frame, the stronger the trend. The higher the time frame, the stronger the pattern. All right, now when the market is going up, and this strategy is taught inside the Discord, you can actually get this strategy. But when the market's going up, we call this an uptrend, or some people will call it a bullish market. And if you watch my other videos, I say the same thing every single day, because I mean, trading is literally doing the same thing every single day, and the markets do the same thing every single day. All right, but or you could call it a bullish market. So if you hear people say, oh yeah, Bitcoin's bullish right now, they're saying that the value of Bitcoin is going up. All right, now this is what the market looks like when it's going up. I'm not gonna really explain this. I know this is very simple, but I'm telling you now, I make money off of this. All right, so if we look at what an uptrend looks like right now, we're on US 30 and we're on a daily time frame. So that means that each candlestick represents one day. We can clearly see, just first and foremost, we could clearly see that it's going up. All right, on the daily time frame. Remember, the higher the time frame, the stronger the trend. The higher the time frame, the stronger the pattern. All right, so we can clearly see that it's going up. All right, now what I just tell y'all, when the market's going up, it makes the same pattern every single day. Okay, this is the pattern that it makes. So now I'm gonna just ask you, can you see, I know it's a lot of stuff right here, but can you see how the real life market was making, or is currently making, this pattern right here? This is on the daily time frame. If you're able to see what I'm showing you, then you literally could have made money from this, because I ain't gonna cap. All I did was, I'm at a point so I don't really have to like look at this to understand like, oh bro, it's going up, it's making this pattern. You feel me? So at 6 p.m. I could have either copied the bot, I could either took that signal, or just by me knowing how I trade, and this is literally what I did. I opened my phone and I literally clicked buy, because I'm like, bro, it's clearly going up. You feel me? And one main reason why a lot of people lose, or one thing that somebody say, oh well, it's not that simple, or it's more to it than that. Like, yeah, of course it is more to it than that, but at the end of the day, it is that simple. I literally excuse me, I literally bought it because I see that it's going up. You feel me? And a big reason why a lot of people lose when it comes to trading is because they'll say, and I did this too, they'll see that the market is going up like this, they see that the market is going up, and then they say, oh, it's about to reverse, it's about to go down. And what they do, they sell it. Bro, you know how many people sold it right here? You know how many people are trying to sell it right here? You feel me? And then it goes up a little bit higher. And they're like, oh yeah, it's definitely about to go down now. It's about to reverse. Look at all of this. Look at all this room. Look at this. Hold on. Look at this gap right here. Look at this gap. It has to come back and it has to fill this gap. And I'm going to tell you now, most of the time, yes, the gaps do get filled. And I'm pretty sure this will get filled. But, bro, you know how many people lost money like today because of this gap right here? Because they see that gap and they say, yo, it has to get filled. So they're selling it. Oh, it ran out of energy. What people be saying? It got exhausted. It got exhausted. It has to reverse. Pretty much what I'm saying is, man, trade what you see. You feel me? Like, if you see it going up, why are you selling it? Unless you have some kind of reversal strategy, then okay, bet. Like, if you're doing it based off of a strategy, then do what you do. But most people are reversal type traders instead of following the trend. Now, it also depends on the time frame that you're looking at. But I mean, from what we looking at right now, from what I see that it's going up. You feel me? I see that it's bullish. As far as tomorrow, what do I think is gonna happen? I think tomorrow is gonna be bullish. All right, now tomorrow can be a bearish day, and just by the way that today looks, tomorrow more than likely might be a bearish day. But overall, pretty much what I'm saying is that I will continue to be bullish on US 30 until I get a reason to not be bullish. Until I start seeing like this happen, that's when I'll start being bearish. You feel me? Until I see a daily candle close below the low of a previous candle, that's when I'll start getting bearish. And like, even you could look at all of these candles. None of these candles has a candle that closed below the low of the previous. Like, even when it was going down, it still didn't do it. So like, that would be my first sign. And I'm not the best trader in the world, you feel me? I'm not telling y'all that my way is the answer, but I'm just telling y'all what I do. So damn, I shouldn't have said that. I just forgot where I was going with that. But yeah, this is just how I trade. I'm just showing y'all how I did it, or what I see, you feel me? And I feel like it's bullish, and I'm gonna continue to be bullish until given a reason otherwise. Also, shout out to Bitcoin, man. Bitcoin is going crazy right now too. So let me know how y'all feel about this in the comments. I am up about 450 points right now. If you want to get access to the signals and copy every single trade that we take, the link is in the description. If you get it right now, it's only $15 a week. All right, if you can't, bro, $15 a week, son, not gonna lie. If you are not willing to invest $15 a week to see if something works, if you don't like it in the first week, bro, cancel it. If you don't make money in the first week, cancel it. All right, really look at this. Really look at this. This is not cap. The monthly report, bro, 16 wins, 1 loss, 94%. In my life of trading, this is our second month doing these trading signals. In the first month, the full month was 90%, and right now we're 94%, and we're halfway inside of July. So like, I've never had results like this in my entire trading career. So yeah, the link is in the description for that. If you're not subscribed already, click subscribe, catch the way to join the family. If you got any questions, ask it in the comments. Hit me up on Instagram, follow me on TikTok. Whatever videos y'all want me to see, let me know in the comments, and I'm gonna do them. I'm gonna do them. Watch my reaction videos too. Watch my other content, man. I'm more than just a trader, you feel me? I'm a pretty cool nigga. All that good stuff, man. All right, stay cool. Stay safe out here in these streets, man. Most of all, stay wavy, my friends. Stay wavy, because waves don't die. Peace.
Damn, I remember being broke. Niggas calling me a joke. Sleeping on me, now they woke. And now they say I give them hope. She ain't never even noticed me. Now I pull up and she knows me. Shorty say she see the goat in me. I got everybody quoting me.